Hi guys, at last I found a glue that really works, waterproof glue that is. I'm a window cleaner, but this glue will have hundreds of other applications for all sorts of other people, but to prove the point, I've got this squeegee here and I've used it on the ends in totally different materials here. There's some tubing there and that's glued onto a squeegee pad that we use in window cleaning. Okay, this is a wagtail. You can see both sides. You can see where the glue is oozed out, but I've left a gap in the tube here so that this rod can slot in. I can tell you something, this has been submerged in water for several weeks now and it's showed no signs of giving up. It's absolutely fantastic. So if you want a glue that really works and is waterproof and does what it says, it's this baby here, Gorilla Glue. But always look for the where is it there? Waterproof sign here. See, it's waterproof there. Okay, it'll bond all sorts of things, dissimilar materials like you see here. Right, that's proof that it actually works. I've been using this for weeks. You see how it, when you use it, it sort of expands outwards. Okay, you'll get used to using it if you use this. Okay, you've got stone, metal, glass, ceramics, foam, wood, all sorts of stuff. And it really does work, I can tell you that. It's the best stuff I've ever used, that's for sure anyway. But how to use it, you damp one side of the surface, which is ideal for this of course, it's always wet. And then you apply glue to the other surface. Okay, glue it together, then grip it if you need to. I didn't have to with that because this tube, I actually split it underneath, eased it over each side and then applied the glue, making sure I'd left enough gap here. I pushed the rod in there just to push the glue out a little bit, otherwise it would have foamed out the other side. There'd be no gap to put this rod in. People who window clean will know what I'm on about there. Okay, so it's Gorilla Glue, definitely highly recommended. Okay, one of the toughest glues you can get, incredible strength. It really is one of the best. I've been looking for a glue like this for ages. I've been meaning to try it. Okay, so there you go. That is one of the best glues you can ever use. Highly recommended. Just the job. And that is job done.